I think it makes it really fun and exciting to work on things that are a little more creative. I think I use silly software in two ways. One is like I just learned a concept, I want to apply it somehow and kind of like practice, but I want to make it kind of fun instead of just building like another to-do app or a calculator app or something. And so one example of that was I wanted to learn about WebSockets. And so that's when I built the Mux worst video player that we can talk about a little later. But I wanted to see like how can I use this technology to make something that's like really cursed and terrible and like fun and funny. And so that's one way is like starting with the like technology. And then the second way is starting with like an idea that I wanted to get to. So the Babel plugin that you were talking about, it started with just a joke Instagram video from someone else, a guy named Justin, and he was like making a joke about what if people could code in Gen Z slang. And I was like, I bet you could totally make that happen. And so found a way to make it happen by like figuring out what tools you could use. So those are kind of like my two approaches, but I like to kind of add a little twist so that it's a little more interesting than just, doing the same thing and following a tutorial or whatever it may be.